I never imagined I could live a life like this. A soft life, a slow life, a life full of intention. But most importantly, my life is peaceful now. You see, I never even imagined what peace could look like or feel like because I was so weighed down with questions, so weighed down with irritations and annoyances and addictions and past trauma. I was so not great at being present. And now my life is full of presence. I love waking up in my own time, on my own terms, gently, slowly stretching my body and moving my body with care, rather than waking up with a blaring alarm clock in my ear, going to a job that just gives me so much anxiety. That doesn't happen anymore. Now I protect my energy, especially in the mornings. I have a morning routine where I clear my head, where I move my body, where I feel grounded, where I take the time to connect with my partner and we make breakfast together and spend time, quality time, not looking at our phones, not doing anything else but being present with one another. You see, now I'm able to hold this frequency of peace. I'm not craving those quick dopamine hits of volatile, toxic relationships. I deeply, deeply crave clarity and groundedness and just that inner peace that truly is a choice. I'm choosing it in each and every moment, and I hope that you can do the same because every moment you are a new you. Every moment you can choose this soft life, this peace.